everyone. Welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online platform. Today we are continuing the same chapter, chapter 5, presentation software, special effect. And today we will cover two topics. First one is inserting word art and second is inserting clip art or online picture. The very first one is inserting clip art. What is the meaning of clip art? Clip art is the very first one is inserting word art. Firstly, we will talk about inserting word art. Word art feature basically allows us to add text with special effect applied to it. If we want to apply some special effect to our text, then we can use the word art. And second one is inserting clip art or online picture. In the older version, clip art option is there in PowerPoint like PowerPoint 2007. But in the latest version, online picture. In place of clip art, we use online picture. Clip art is basically a collection of simple pictures and symbols. So it contains some predefined pictures. So we can insert it according to our requirement. And if we want to take online picture, so we can also insert online picture. So how we can do it? Let's start it. So firstly open PowerPoint. You can write in the search box or we can go to the start button and then open it. I'm opening 2016 version. I am taking here one blank presentation. So just click on blank presentation. So now first topic is insert word art. First one topic is insert word art. So very first thing is firstly we will click on insert tab. Firstly we will click on insert tab. When we will click on insert tab, you can see many groups are here. Under this, under the text group, you can see here, this is my text group. Under the text group, word art option is here. Under the text group, word art option is here. So we will click on this word art option. We will click on this word art. Under the text box, we can find it. So here are some styles you can see here. When you will click on it, you can take any slide. For example, I am taking this one. So you have seen here. So with the backspace or delete key, we can delete this text, your text here. Here you can write any text. And you can see on the title bar, drawing tools are here. And under the drawing tools, we can see one more tab is here after the view tab. That is format tab. That is format tab. So I am writing it here. So firstly take any word art style, which one you want to take. So now I am writing here Shri Rama Bharati Public School. So I have written here. We can increase or decrease this one by using this arrow. We can increase or decrease with this rotate handler. You can see this one is our rotate handler. With the help of this rotate handler, we can rotate it. And under the format tool tab, you can see many are here. So it's up to you which one you want to take. If you want to change the word art style, firstly you can select it and then change the word art style. If you want to change it, it's up to you. Totally up to you which style you want to take. And if you want to clear it, just clear the word. So I have taken one. So same like that, you can change the fill color and whatever you want to change it. So this is the way to insert the word art. This is the way to insert word art. So I am taking one more slide here by pressing Ctrl plus M, or we can go to the new slide. So the next one is inserting clip art or online picture. Inserting clip art or online picture. Same, we will go to the insert tab, and in place of text group, we will go to the images group. We will go to the images group. We will go to images. So you can see here under the insert tab, there is one group, that is images group. That is images group. And in this one you can find online picture is here. The older version, clip art also there, but in the newer version we use online pictures. You can see here there are two. One is pictures and second is online pictures. If the picture is available in your computer, then we can click on the pictures and then we can insert it. And if we want to take online, then click on online picture. You can see here Bing image search. So if you want to search online, then click over here, and OneDrive, if that is located on your OneDrive, then you can take from there. So I am taking online. So just write it, the topic for searching. I want to take computer picture. Just click on this search or press the enter key. So you can see here which one you want to take. Just select that one. Just select that one and then click on insert. It will be inserted to our, it is not spotting, so we can take any other picture. So just write it whatever you want to search and then click on search or enter key. So which one you want to take, just select that one and then click on insert. So you can see here picture have been inserted. Same like that, you can increase or decrease height of it. You can rotate it also with the rotate handler. And you can see here format tab is also here. With the help of this, you can change the color, you can change the brightness. Totally up to you what you want to do. So there are some options. So with the help of this option, you can change the brightness, you can change the color, up to you. If you want to change the style, then see, like that you can change the style. So we have done two topics.